Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase Geico's renters insurance online in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Geico website and then click on the get a quote that's in the top right corner. And once that's done, the next thing you're going to do is to select your state. So go ahead and enter your state or a zip code to begin the quote process. And next step is going to be to choose your insurance type. So here you're just going to select renters as the type of insurance that you're interested in. Next, you're going to enter your rent units information. So go ahead and provide details about your rental unit, including its location, its size, and its type. Next, you're going to need to enter your personal information. So just provide your name, date of birth, and your social security number. Next, you're going to need to answer questions about your insurance needs. So go ahead and provide proper answers to these questions, as well as your claims history. Next step is going to be to review your quote. So review your quote, and you can adjust the options as needed. And once that's done, go ahead and purchase your policy. You can purchase that online, and then you print, or you can just save your proof of insurance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to get a Geico homeowner insurance quote in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the